Hi, I'm Sandy Hirschlein, Marketing Manager for the Siemens US General Motion Control business. Today, Raphael Larcher, Product Marketing Manager, is here to show you the features and benefits of the SINAMICS General Purpose Drives. Raphael, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Sandy. Today I'm here to show you some of the features and benefits of the SINAMICS General Purpose Drives. This group of drives represents the latest technology and includes the broadest range of AC drive products offered by any manufacturer in the world. From the smallest micro drives, a compact full-feature networkable drive, an extremely flexible modular drive, enclosure options, easily networked decentralized drives, as well as new and enhanced usability tools. Siemens is a world leader in incorporating advanced functionality and flexible configurations in a robust product lineup. Key features focus on saving money and time for both integrators and users, making the products easy to use and maximizing machine and system uptime. Our general purpose products represent an innovative range of solutions for the widest range of industrial applications. First up, we have the SINAMICS V20 basic drives. These combine an extremely compact design with a full-feature drive available up to 40 horsepower in 230 volts and 480 volts versions. They include an award-winning and easy-to-use Wi-Fi option called Smart Access Module that provides wireless quick commissioning, monitoring, and troubleshooting capabilities with any smart mobile device. Next, we have the SINAMICS G120C, which is a compact full-feature drive available up to 150 horsepower at 480 volts. The most popular industrial Ethernet-based protocols used today are also available for this product, and capabilities include integration within our TIA Portal control system, basic safety as standard, Safe Torque Off, as well as compatibility with our full-color, high-resolution intelligent operator panel, the IOP-2, as well as the G120 Smart Access Module for Wi-Fi connectivity with any smart mobile device. We also have the SINAMICS G120 modular drive, this one over there, which offers the most flexibility in meeting your machine drive control requirements, with basic and extended safety functions available. A comprehensive variety of control units and power modules provide flexibility and scalability to cover a wide range of applications up to 400 horsepower. Power modules include conventional 230 volts, 480 volts, and 690 volt versions, as well as an efficient in-feed technology version for full power regeneration back to the line supply. Wireless commissioning and operating are also possible with the use of the G120 Smart Access Module. Next, the SINAMICS UL Type 1 kits, these guys over here. These are a simple solution for outside the cabinet installations or when retrofitting old control cabinets and motor control centers. They are designed to the latest UL 61800-5-1 and been tested to meet up to 100 kA interrupting rating when used with suitable protected devices. Available in 7 different sizes, ranging from fractional all the way to 200 horsepower. And remember, read out our white paper to get a better understanding of why UL Type 1 kits represent superior performance and protection when compared to those NEMA 1 kits in the market. Additionally, the SINAMICS G115D distributed drives, like this one over here, provide a robust solutions for outside the cabinet installations, either directly mounting the drive to the gear motor on the machine or as close to the motor as possible in a wall mount configuration as displayed here. Available from 1 to 10 horsepower at 480 volts and with a degree of protection up to IP66 or NEMA 4X. These drives are well suited for material handling and conveyor technology systems where networking is essential and downtime must be kept to a minimum. These units are available with built-in safety function as standard, Safe Torque Off, as well as basic positioning with encoder feedback, with the positioning control loop handled by the connected PLC in this case. This drive is fully integrated into TIA Portal, but alternatively, wireless commissioning and operating can be also achieved with the G120 Smart Access Module. Now, this device here, that's the SINAMICS Connect, and it's a simple plug-and-play IoT gateway to connect the SINAMICS drives to the IT world for cloud-based digitalization solutions, such as the Siemens Analyze My Drives or any other app-based solutions, really. Users can quickly and conveniently identify optimization potential and take necessary actions based on the drive data. No modifications are necessary to the hardware or firmware of the drives, nor are PLCs needed for such cloud connectivity. And finally, all of these drives incorporate the integration of an SD card, a very important feature to both OEMs and end users alike. This low-cost and easily accessible option allows operators to clone programs to multiple drives when commissioning large systems. And it also dramatically reduces downtime when restoring programs to service drives, all while requiring minimum training or drive knowledge from operators to perform those tasks.
Thank you for the great explanation, Raphael. If you would like more information on the SINAMICS general purpose drives, please reach out to Raphael or visit our website. All the contact information you need is shown on your screen. Thank you again for watching.